To provide this paved stone patio with some relief from the sun, we're adding 2 columns to support a shade sail. When the patio is nearly complete, we identify 2 spots just inside the border course on the outside corners and dig holes for our 6x6 post. Once we set the post in the hole, we fine-tune their position and check them for plumb with a level. To secure them in this position, we add Quikrete fast-setting concrete mix to the hole, followed by some water. In less than an hour, the poles are secure enough for the patio border to be completed around them. To match the columns on the existing back porch, we're wrapping the 6x6s with rough-sawn cedar 1x8s. The first 2 pieces are nailed tight to the post and flush with each other. To support the other 2 sides, we're nailing spacers to the post before we install the cedar. To join the 2 columns and give them more visual appeal, we're building a horizontal box beam with longer pieces of 1x8 cedar on the ground. The spacers between the 2 boards will allow this beam to slide down over the top of the columns before we nail them in place. Around the base of each column, we wrap more 1x8 cedar to trim out the column and continue matching the existing patio post. Now we can attach tie-downs to the top of each post and on the wall of the house to secure the shade sail and protect the patio from the sun.